Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back after a long, well-deserved break, and I'm back with another great recipe to start off this year, mutton curry with potatoes. And without any further ado, let's start this recipe. I have 1 kilo of goat here with bones, nice chunky pieces. You can use any cut of your choice. I have goat shoulders and goat leg here, which are cut into curry cut pieces. So for the base of our curry, for 1 kilo goat, we need around 5 shallots. This is red shallots, medium size. We need 7 to 8 garlic cloves, roots and stems of coriander. I have a small piece, 1-inch size piece of fresh turmeric. I have ginger here, around 2 tablespoons, and 3 green chilies. So first what I'm going to do, I'm going to roughly grind the shallots and turmeric together, and then we're going to grind the green chilies, garlic, coriander stem and ginger together. We need 1 large tomato. Just 1 large tomato is going to be enough. And for the curry we need small size potatoes. We need 6 of them. So this is medium sized potato. We're going to peel it and cut it into half. Tomato, we are going to make a fine puree. Along with this, we're going to add some whole spices. 4 cloves, half teaspoon of black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 whole black cardamom, and 1 tablespoon whole coriander seeds. So that is going to be our consistency of our base. Not a smooth paste, but this texture. So while we still have our jar in use, we'll make a fine paste of our ginger, garlic, coriander roots and green chilies. And while we are still at it, let's puree our tomato. So I peel the potatoes, and since they're small size, I'm thinking of just leaving them whole. They're gonna look really cute in my curry. So just soak them in water till we're ready to use it. So finally we have all our preparations done. Let's marinate the goat. We'll use the ginger, garlic and coriander chili paste that we made. We'll use 1 tablespoon of that for marination, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder and 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of mustard oil and juice of half a lime. And with nice clean hands, massage it all together. Oh, we need to add salt too, so let's do that. Around 1 teaspoon of salt. We need all of that flavors to go in. And adding that little bit of lime will tenderize it. This is my style of goat curry with potatoes. That's how I make it at home. It's delicious. Let it marinate for 1 hour and then we start cooking. Add 1 cup of mustard oil. Allow the mustard oil to smoke on medium-high heat. It's best to smoke the mustard oil to remove that strong pungent flavor. So now the oil is smoking, we'll add in our whole spices. I've added 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 whole red chilies, 3 to 4 bay leaf and 1 piece of cinnamon stick and 1 black cardamom. Let's add in our onion, spice and turmeric paste. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt. So we allow the onion to cook on medium-high flame till it's nice and golden brown. So now you can see our onions have browned. I'm going to add in our tomato puree. Cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes. Let's add in our marinated goat. Give it a good mix. Let it slowly cook for another 5 minutes. It's been 5 minutes. Let's add in our rest of the ginger, garlic, coriander roots and chili paste. So same, just give it all a good mix and slowly cook it on medium flame for another 5 to 6 minutes. The oil is now separated. Let's add in the spices. Add 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1.5 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder, half tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of hot variety of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and 1 teaspoon of any meat masala powder. Let the meat cook with the masala for another 5 minutes. So it's been a good 6 minutes. You see how well, beautifully our goat has sauteed. So now it's time to add the water. So adding boiling water. So I've added 3 cups of boiling water. So cover and cook on low flame for at least 30 minutes. Make sure you're checking in between. The cooking time of mutton also depends on your goat. So we're going to cook the mutton for 30 minutes, and then final 10 minutes we're going to add in our potatoes, and 40 minutes should be just perfect to cook a mutton. So our goat has been cooking for 30 minutes. Let's add in our potatoes. Let's add some fresh coriander. Give it a mix. Now let's cook it further for another 10 to 12 minutes or until the potatoes are cooked. Since I've added whole potatoes, it's going to take around 10 to 12 minutes for it to cook. If you're going to add halved potatoes, then I think 8 minutes should be perfect. So cover and cook on low flame for another 10 to 12 minutes. Well, it's been 45 minutes since we've added our meat and potatoes, and they've been cooking together for 45 minutes, and I think it's ready. Let's give it a look. Oh my god, I can't tell you how good my kitchen smells right now. The goat curry looks perfect. It's looking amazing. My mouth is watering, guys. This is the perfect consistency of the gravy. It's looking good. Everything is ready. Turn off the flame and add some fresh coriander. Our perfect Sunday lunch is ready. Delicious goat curry with potatoes. Next time you have curry on your mind, go for this perfect goat curry with potatoes. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time with another great recipe. Bye-bye.